All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why. All my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, all my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a
What's up, everybody? What's going on? It's your boy Chuck with Security Back Trading YouTube channel, and we're back with another analysis on gold and Great Britain USD for the week. If you're checking this out right now, thank you guys for watching, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Without further ado, let's see what we got. As you can see, the market did pretty much what we wanted. I'm still biased on the sell, but I did mention that if we did get a breakout above this zone, to take it and take it to this line here, because most likely it will reject that area because it's a very strong resistance at this time, and it got right there and rejected. As you can see, could have been a great selling opportunity to sell from here and then put a stop loss right above this, maybe about 50 pips, and then continue to sell. Right now, as you can see, we're trying to push forward, but we are unable to break upward. Did a little bit of back testing, so I kind of got my assumption of what's going to happen based off of what I see. But we're going to go ahead and throw up the highs and lows and see what the market charts are showing. As you can tell here, we've been consolidating a little bit in this area. So I'm going to go ahead and mark this area. We're going to look for this as a breakout. So, and then if this breakout, either one of these zones could be to take profit. We already have that green there. So based off of, now that I'm thinking about it, we probably already came to test that area because that was the original zone that we rejected off. So now I want to come down and hit this area, to be honest. So we're going to mark that off as green. I am very, very biased on the sell. Only once I show you guys what the dollar look like right now, it's definitely changing directions in an upward trend. It's unable to break the support. So I'm looking for the dollar to go up. So I really want to see gold and Great Britain sell, but we still have to be neutral and look for anything that can change. So we just can't put all our eggs in one basket at this time. As you know, the New Year's are approaching, so anything can happen. Okay, let's go ahead and close this out. Jump back on the daily. All right, so this was the other buy zone to take profit, and this the other one here at the bottom. Again, I feel like we already touched this one, so I'm going to be aiming more for this zone here. Okay, so what I would like to see is, you can see we got some rejections off of this area multiple times. We could come there one more time, so I want to make sure that our breakout zone is a little bit higher than normal. I'm aiming between 1805 and maybe 18.9 area. Let's just say right here. All right, so we break above this zone, then I would look to take this back up here. So that's going to be, I'm just going to go, we're not going to do too many changes because I just said that things happen in the market pretty much reset itself back to where it was originally. So yeah, I want to see a break. If I would take this, it will have to break out this area, and then same scenario would be for to get here and then get to this zone. But we have 1-2 taps, so if it breaks this, most likely, just go ahead and close that out. If it breaks that, it's gonna go, because this will be the third time it has came to that area. Just moving things over a little bit. Like I said, not a lot of adjustments. So I don't want to delete everything because everything pretty much is still the same. All right, so That's the breakout. This is second breakout, which I honestly think it will happen. And you can play that this way here. This breakout is going to be a lot tighter because we want to make sure we capture as many pips as we can. Don't want to leave too much on the table. Okay. And this would be the second one. Definitely take profit here. And we're going to change that to green. This is going to be one of our first take profits. Okay. And if we break this area, this was a buy zone, but this could be a second take profit too. I honestly think, well, this could be a buy zone. And I think the next one may possibly be here now. I want to go here. We could possibly get a buy here also. It's going to be a tricky one next week, guys. Definitely take your profits when you get to these areas. I'm gonna really push for this. I think we're gonna get a spike down somewhere in this area for a buy. Okay. But this is what I'm looking for. I really would love to see this come to this area, honestly. So this right now, just what I have as a play for the two scenarios. And I'm gonna give you my scenario, honestly, what I think. And I want to go for a small retracement just to grab some attention of the buyers. And then I want to sell very hard. Probably will be taking profits here just to be on the safe side. And if it breaks this area, I will have a sell stop. I'm coming back and I'm going to let this go. Maybe midway. Let's see here. That will be my play in the red. That is my play on the red. It's going to be very tricky, guys. Just make sure that whatever you do, and the stop loss still be the same. Well, let's bring the stop loss up just a little bit. It's crazy. I'm gonna go with a stop loss right in this area. This week looked like more of a stop hunt. I don't want to see it come back through that area again. So Not a bad play. Not a bad play. This is what I have for gold. Again, I am biased. I want to see more of a sell on gold right now. It could get here and just keep on going. Who knows? But I definitely want to get some profits going downward. And from there, I'll be looking for the buys around this area myself. Okay. Enough time on gold. Make sure you get a screenshot of this. Let's jump on Great Britain USD really quick. Okay, Great Britain USD. It is playing out very well. Didn't break out our area here. So if you had a stop loss above this and so you're still doing great. Holding on. The sell is slowly approaching this area. So this would be one of the buy zones. Let's jump on the 1 hour and see what we have. So everything's pretty much the same for Great Britain USD. Not many changes at all. So we are now in this area. Breakout zone has moved up. It's actually below it, so this is perfect. We're going to remove this. New breakout zone. Looking for that to continue downward. I'm going to just delete mine for now. So we want to see this continue downward into this zone maybe. And may get another. I'm basing this off of what I see off the dollar. I really would like to see this push down a little bit further now, but this could be the first potential buy zone, honestly. Yeah, I would definitely have to move this downward. I need a little more breathing room. It could come here also. Somewhere in this area. Right above the top of that zone there. Okay. So we're going to change this to blue also. We're going to go back and play with the stop loss a little bit. Still not happy with that. I think we may possibly get close to hitting that area. I don't want to take any chances. So let's see what we have. Okay, so we could possibly come in this area also. This is a better risk reward, a better setup if we can hold out and see if this area hits. But at the same time, let's go below this. Okay. Because we could hit this zone or this one. So let's go below this just a little bit. I feel comfortable with that area. All right, so let's stop loss somewhere in here. Okay. All right, so as I was mentioning, we could possibly come this area. This is a better buy area, but at the same time, you may want to grab a small lot and start entering here and slowly enter more lots as you get down closer. Just make sure you do your risk reward and money management, because you don't want to over trade, because we could easily push down into this area really quick, and make sure your account can hold that drop. And from there, I would like to see this come back up. We could still play this area, but I'm honestly thinking if it goes through here, it's going to blow through quick. Let's not do that, because I've really been playing this trend line for a while, this lower channel. So we still got to take that in consideration. But if that breaks, we will go up higher. All right, let's get this cleaned up. Okay. Breakout zone. This applies to all trades. Okay, let's see. And my scenario, what I would be trading here, I would be looking for, again, I like to see it go up. Maybe get really close to this area. Then come back down into this buy zone, and then make our way up. That is what I would be playing. I'm looking across here. I'm going to bring this up just a little bit. We could come back and hit this. This is a golfing candle here. So we could come back and hit the bottom of that one more time. So let's give ourselves just a little bit more room to play with. Yes, a little bit. Okay, that's all I have for Great Britain USD also. So you guys make sure get a screenshot of this. Let's check this out on the weekly real quick so you can get a bigger view. All right, this is the weekly chart. And you can see why this lower trend line channel is very critical. So every trade needs to stop right below that and wait to a breakout, because it's been rejecting off this for a long time. And if you want to get back here and reject, it can crash all the way down. So take all your profits, wait to the breakout, and then re-enter, okay? All right. Get a screenshot of that. Let's jump on the DXY, the gold in Great Britain USD trade that moves the market. And I mention that because this controls both gold and Great Britain USD. And as you can see from my last previous setup, we broke below this, came back, broke below, came back. This do not want to break for some reason. We're going to give ourselves a little bit more room to play. But I want to see this continue up from now. That is the reason why I would like to see gold and Great Britain USD sell for next week until the New Year's. All right, so as of right now, I want to see this go up. Could get a small retracement. But overall, I would like to see the DXY to dollar, small retracement go up. Okay, that will bring gold and Great Britain USD down. Again, you can see this pretty far, so that could bring gold and Great Britain USD down a little bit further. So be very safe on those buy zones. Make sure that you see a clear setup. Thank you guys again for joining. Try to keep this video quick as possible. Not a lot of changes, but we do have changes. Again, I want to say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's to everyone as we go into the new year. And we're going to get things very fast and hot and heavy as the year approaches. We want to do great things next year for 2023. If you guys make sure you push out my information to those that are looking to trading so they can jump on this platform and get this good content. So make sure y'all have them guys to subscribe, like the channel. If you're looking for a Telegram group to join, all that information is in the description of this video. And if you're looking for a signal group for outstanding signals, you can find that also in this video descriptions. And if you need to reach out, please do so. If you're looking for more content, more different pairs, reach out and I can start putting those up for you guys also. All right. Thank you guys. I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week. And again, Happy New Year's. Chuck is out, aka Go Gorilla.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there.